me see your hands. Put your hands up.
What? Stop the vehicle. Put your hands.
Put the vehicle in park and turn it off.
I got a kid in the car.
I know. Get out.
That's where I'll get. I'm heading back. I couldn't find my goggles. Let me get my goggles.
Get out. Get out.
I'm talking to you. I got a bag on.
Get out of the car.
Okay, I'm getting out. I got a bag on me.
With your left hand, keep your right hand where it is. Open the door from the outside and slowly get out.
Is it right hand?
With your left hand, open your door from the outside and get out.
I'm towing you up in 1 year. Give me 1 second.
Unlock it and get out.
All right.
You think we're playing? Get out.
Ain't nobody playing with you.
Yo, get out of the car. Do it now.
Hey, bring it back to you. Hey, get out of the car now. Don't make me tell you again.
Bro, can I roll the window down for her?
No, get out now.
Roll the window down for her.
Get out of the fucking car.
Walk back to us.
Turn around.
What are you talking to me? Aiming
Turn around.
I told you I don't have no gun.
Turn around.
I got something in my pocket. My wallet. Okay?
Hey.
I'll tell you what I have on me.
Walk back
Listen.
towards me. Hey.
Okay.
Walk back towards me. Come on.
Okay.
Keep walking inside of my voice. Come on, man. Keep walking towards me. Come on. Come on.
Chill out. Got you.
Hey, there's a child in the car, just so you know. There's a child in the car.
I know.
Yep. Yes. Yes.
Hey, sweetie.
How you doing, honey?
Okay.